Have you read the same, sir? Have you read the contents of your content of it?
Yes, sir.
Complete affidavit. Do you swear that the contents of the complete affidavit is true based on your personal knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you understand that any untruthfulness in the complete affidavit may result to the filing of charges for perjury?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Ano ito?
Ano ko lang kasi re-refer mo. We have on file a counter affidavit filed by respondent Mr. Clemente G. Enrique. Saan lang po?
Apa. Ano ito? Ito.
Hindi. Yan, tama.
Ito. Pipinda din ito.
Nagre-record.
Ah, ganun ba? Yan.
Sir, tayo po tayo.
Prosek, gusto rin ng video.